I'm very excited to be here in this place, in this time, and just being able to see this natural phenomenon happen, just seeing lava emerge from the ground. Even if it's in a particular continent such as this, it's just fascinating to see just nature in action. It's just like something from a movie.
Now, this time there is a lot going on and a town involved, which then might end up under the lava that's flowing behind us. So yeah, that's kind of mixed feelings, to be honest. So yeah, let's see how it goes and how long it lasts. It's still amazing to see, but yeah, that's kind of a bittersweet feeling at the moment.
Now there's an eruption here near Grindavik, and we have cleared the town and the area, and now we're just securing the area and closing every road to the area, and that's just in process now. But then we are just trying to manage the situation here.